I'd like to compare two cat foods. Both of them are made by the same company, Purina. One of them is the more expensive type. It's called Purina Pro Plan. This is what I have been feeding my cats for a while. And the other one is Fancy Feast. This is a little bit cheaper. You can just get it at an ordinary grocery store. This type of Fancy Feast, though, is called Savory Centers. So cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they must have meat to be healthy. And anything that you give them that isn't meat is potentially harmful. So let's take a look at the expensive stuff, right? A very expensive formulation, Purina Pro Plan. This stuff, it's even hard to find the ingredients. There we go. This starts off with water. That's good. They need their moisture. Chicken. The third ingredient is wheat gluten, because I'm sure that cats are out there eating wheat in nature. Liver, meat byproducts. Rice. Yeah, that's something they're eating in nature. Cornstarch, modified. Glycerin. Salt, soy protein. And natural flavors. And then there's a bunch of vitamins and minerals that they put into it, like they do children's breakfast cereal. Okay, now let's take a look at the cheaper stuff, Fancy Feast. But this is Savory Centers, right? So it's a little bit different than some of the other Fancy Feasts I've looked at. And let's find here, they never make it easy to find the ingredient list. There it is. It starts off with chicken broth, chicken, liver, meat byproducts. So a lot of people point out the fact that these could be all kinds of what they refer to as trash meat, right? Like organ meat or even feathers or bone meal. But those are things in general that animals eat in the wild. They eat from nose to tail, including bones and fur, all that stuff. Really, humans would be healthier if they did so too. You need to eat your liver. Okay, back to the list. Meat byproducts, fish, glycine, beef, locust bean gum. I'm sure they're not getting that in nature, but I think they need stuff to hold this together. Gar gum, and then a whole bunch of minerals. So my point is that this cheaper stuff, which my cats actually really like, is almost all meat and no grains, but it doesn't also have other cheap fillers in it, like legumes, which they tend to fill grain-free cat food full of, and dog food as well. And as a result, there are health problems that our animals are experiencing now than ever before. So, my opinion, if you're going to try to find some cat food, don't just get grain-free cat food. Try to find something that's all meat. It would be a better idea, though, in all honesty, if they just made cat food out of mice and small birds, but I don't think we've gotten there yet.